Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Siddharth Kanwal. In this video, we'll talk about how is my life going in SBI and how my life is changed after becoming SBI PO, how it has impacted me, how was my first day in the bank and how was my first day in the branch and how is my life going now. So we are going to discuss all of these things. So guys, I joined bank on 6th January 2020 and we were advised to report to SBLC, that is the State Bank Learning Center. So we all of us POs, we reported to SBLC, State Bank Learning Center, for 28 days. We had one FTP there, Foundation Training Program, and if I say that was the most enjoyable part of our job till now. FTP 1 was the best. So what happened in FTP when we first day there, they had a ceremony to welcome us. They all gave us one, I don't know what to call it, just one hat kind of thing, and one shawl they gave us, and one rose all they gave to all of us, and they really welcomed us. There was a grand ceremony. It was really enjoyable. And after that, SBLC was basically like a hostel. So in that there were other students and faculties. Students were all the POs that joined with us, and we all had too much fun together in 28 days. We also went to tour in Nandi Hills. I am posted in Bangalore, by the way, just to tell you. So we all went to Nandi Hills, Lal Bagh, and many other sites also. We visited many places. So those 28 days, they really came to close really quickly, and basically the fun was over and the real work was about to begin. So now I will tell you about my first day at my branch. So what happened when I reported to my branch on first day? I was thinking like I am a very shy person in reality. So what happened, like when I was visiting my branch, I was thinking like how will my manager will be. I had this image of manager, that one person in suit and tie, and he will be sitting and he will be ordering me around. I was thinking like that. But what happened on first day? My manager was not only present in the branch; he was on leave that day. So that scared me even more. I thought like, oh, now manager is not here. Now what will happen? So what happened that day? Uh, that day really went like this over my head. I was not able to get anything. I didn't understood any single thing. I was not able to understand, and really, and then it happened. 5 o'clock, and everyone started leaving. Not everyone. Around 60% of the staff started leaving. So I thought like it's time. I thought it's over. We have to go home now. Then I was sitting there and my assistant manager was sitting beside me. So I was thinking like, okay, I won't ask. It's not good. It's my first day. Let's not ask for going home this early. When she will leave, when the work is over, then we will leave together. I thought that it's 5 o'clock now. How much work will be there? Around half an hour. I thought, okay, no problem. Half an hour I'll wait. I was sitting, and the clock kept ticking. And then it happened 6 o'clock. And I was like, what the hell is happening? So I asked her, I said, ma'am, we are not leaving. She said, what? Leaving? Kid, this branch closes at around 8 o'clock. And I was like, oh man. So basically what happened now, the fantasy that I had in my mind now of my dream job, that dream came crashing down and I was brought back to reality by our assistant manager. So actually we were even told about this by the staff faculty in FTP. They told us that officers have no time limit. At 5 o'clock clerical staff leaves, but officers don't leave at 5 o'clock, they leave afterwards. At that time I didn't believe them. No one believed them actually. Everyone thought that they are just joking. It doesn't happen. Who will sit around 7 or 8? But it was a hard pill to swallow, but we were made to swallow it. So guys, when people say that there is too much work in SBI, who are already working there, when they say there is too much work in SBI, so they are saying truth. And when people say that यार SBI वाले तो कुछ काम ही नहीं करते हैं, भाई बुरा लगता है यार, दिल से बुरा लगता है. So now let's talk about rewards. We have talked about work. Now let's talk about rewards. What's the salary? So salary in Bangalore circle is 45,000 that I am getting. So I think according to work they are making us do. So salary is enough. I think more than enough. I have even worked in a hotel for 5,000, yeah, in a hotel front office. So 45,000 salary is really good salary, and above that petrol price around 7,000 they give, and petrol and fuel and much things are included in newspaper, and some things are included in that. So I don't know the particularly what all is included, but around 7,000 in excess of salary we get. and above 7,000 then, and above that also our rent is free. We don't have to pay any rent. This house that I'm living in, I'm not giving rent of this place, bank is only giving. So so 45,000 is getting completely saved, and about the 7,000 that we are getting, that is for petrol and all. I don't think anyone uses petrol of 7,000 in 1 month, and 7,000 is for two-wheelers. If you have four-wheeler, then it's even more. And this is in Bangalore. In Delhi, I think it's even more. Delhi and Mumbai, I think it's even more. So demands increasing, and there are many perks, few more perks here and there that I don't remember right now. Furniture allowance is also there. This bed and all, and washing machine and all, they also provide us. So there are many things, yeah. So there are many things that bank is giving. So when they are giving this much, so they will make us work here. That is pretty obvious. Now I will talk about how I feel about my job, and am I happy in my job or what. So guys, if I think now, happiness is what people find within themselves. If you are happy before, you will feel happy after SBI, after joining SBI. And if you are not happy with SBI, I don't think you will be happy in any job, because every job has its pros and cons. So it's just up to you what you find in a job. Actually, I will tell that right now I'm living away from my family, but actually I find this good, because I never lived away from my family, so I always wanted to take this experience, that how it feels to live alone and do everything on your own, be independent. I always wanted to be independent in this regard, like and take responsibility and many things. Now I'm living alone. I have to wash clothes, prepare food, everything I have to do on my own. So that is also fun to do, because I will say that actually I'm a little bit into fitness also. I may not look it, but I was really fat before, and now I have really controlled, because I control my diet and all. And it's not like that I eat plain food or anything. I eat same thing, dal, chapati, roti, everything I eat. But still I am maintaining my weight, because little bit I have studied about this. So I will tell you all about that fitness and all later on. If we get some subscribers, then I will tell you. Okay, so I always wanted to live alone, because when you are living at home, your mom will cook so much tasty food and keep it in front of you that you cannot deny. You have to eat it, yeah. Who will deny that tasty food? But now that I am living alone, I am eating that food cooked by me. It's not that tasty, but it's better, yeah. I am eating according to my calorie requirements that I always wanted to do. So that's what makes me happy. And one more thing I will tell you. Around last month, I went to my home, and it was so much fun. I actually played a trick on my family, and I didn't told anyone that I'm coming home. Only my big brother I told him, and no one else I told. So me and my big brother only knew that I am coming, and everyone else thought that I will come later on. And when I reached home, family was so happy and they were so emotional. It was so fun to watch them, yeah. So these little things, now when you are living away from family, when you will go back, and then you will enjoy it a lot, yeah. So enjoy wherever you are. Happiness you have to find yourself. Happiness no job can give you, yeah. Happiness you have to find within. So this is what I want to say. So now I think we will wrap this video. Bye.